Wow, it's alphabets A to Z. Green color A. A for apple. B for ball. C for cat. D for dinosaur. E for elephant. F F for fish. Z for green. H for house. Pink color. I for ice cream. Z for jacket. K for kangaroo. L for lemon. M for mango. N for nest. O for orange. P for python. Q for queen. R for red. S for sister. T for teacher. U for umbrella. V for van. W for watermelon. X for X-ray. Y for yellow. Z for zebra. Pink color, green color, dairy color, yellow color, purple color, sky blue color, orange color, gray color, red color, blue color, black color, green color. Thank you.